What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, not only do we have Big Zeus, my 2018 lifted Indoraptor here under the carport, my son has just recently purchased him a 2016 Coyote V8 Lariat with the 6-speed transmission. Probably one of the best years for this truck that they've ever made. Now, that's just my opinion. So today, we're gonna introduce you guys to the first 3 mods for this 2016 F150. First 3 mods are gonna be level kit from KSP, which is a 2.5-inch level kit with the 35 by 1250 Nitto Ridge grapplers, one of the best tires on the market. While they've got that, we're gonna tint the windows. We're gonna do a 20% on the sides to make it even with the back, even though in North Carolina it's illegal. So all I'm saying with the window tint is use your best judgment and be careful, because here in North Carolina, they can be kind of picky. And by picky, I mean armed robbery. It's gonna draw police presence. If you got hostage situation, it's gonna draw police presence. But if you got one step darker tint on your windows, you are gonna draw the police presence. I'm just saying. God, it's early. Gotta get these tires loaded up. Girl, you make my speakers go boom, boom. So we're taking our tires down here to CS Motorsports, and you guys can see the lifted trucks they work on out here. It's pretty crazy. Got a lot of high-end inventory for sure. Good God. Check on what we got on there. Got the trail graps size. We got 42 by 1550 26s. Yeah, 26s. Good God. F250. Got some 42s on there. I'm not gonna lie. You come to a place like this and you realize just how damn poor you really are. Yeah, I'm driving this thing home right now and loving it. The ridge grapplers are super quiet, guys. If y'all are thinking about an aggressive looking tire that's good for the street, I'm telling you, ridge grappler is the way to go. When I changed my ridge grapplers out on the Raptor, on Zeus, probably gonna go a little more aggressive like a trail grappler. But y'all know I don't drive it every day, so trail grapplers are fine. But I definitely like the look of the mud grapplers, but I don't like 12,000 miles per set if you drive on the highway a lot. So yeah, it's a little too aggressive. So, but driving it home right now, I got the old rain tires in the back. Don't know if y'all can see that, but all right, let's pull it in, get some pics and some video. Did I say 3 mods? I'm gonna give you 2 bonus mods. Husky liners going in. Check it out, check it out. Get rid of that carpet. Get you some Husky liners. Get you some kids. Yep, my son has got a 7-year-old and a 4-year-old. So yeah, they put a lot of stuff in the floor. Carpet just won't work unless you want to be vacuuming all the time. So Husky liners, guys. Husky liners. All right. Next mod, shorty antenna. So that is not 3 mods, that is 5 mods. So that's 2 bonus mods. If you stuck around to the end of the video, you would see it. Shorty antenna right there. Ridge grapplers, leveling kit, floor mats. I'm telling you, tinted windows. I mean, first 5 mods. So kudos to you guys that stuck around to the end of the video. You got 2 bonus mods. Links in the description. Pick yours up today. So that's gonna do it for the video of the first 3 mods for the F150, guys. I know you saw the rock lights in the video and on the thumbnail on Zeus, the Raptor, and you're like, dang, I was hoping to catch some more glimpses of that. Well, if so, you want to check out more of Zeus, the rock lights, that sort of thing, check out this video. Please give me that thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment. Y'all know the drill. Catch you on the next one. Later now.